This is ASUS latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphic cards, the ASUS TUF Gaming's GeForce RTX 3060 OC editions. Special thanks to Street Computers for making these videos possible. Street Computers offer a wide range of IT hardware from networking, printers, speakers, accessories, PC components, and much more. You can visit them now at Plaza 2nd floor. They also have an online presence over on Shopee and Lazada. More info in the description box below. Let's back to the unboxings. Because it's a 3-fan GPU, the box is much bigger than usual. Here's the graphic cards, followed by some documents. There are a lot of plastic protectors that need to be removed. The card features an all-aluminum shroud and metal backplate to enhance durability. As mentioned earlier, it comes with 3 dual-bore fans bearings and a reversal central spinning fan for less turbulence. The 2.7 slot footprints offer a huge heat pipe with max contact technology to polish the surface of the heat spreaders for enhanced thermal transfer. The stainless steel is used for the I/O brackets to protect ports and offer a secure mount. There's also a wide vents allowing hot air to escape towards chassis exhaust fan. There are a total of 2 HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 1.4 air that support Hdcp 2.3. If RGB is your thing, the TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 OC editions come with a top-side RGB that can be customized to display a range of aesthetics and functional effects. It is able to sync with other ASUS RGB-enabled components to enable uniform lighting. It also features dual BIOS where you can switch the card's default performance profile without any software required. Talking about software, the card comes with GPU Tweak tool where you can tune the card performance such as core clock speeds, memory frequency, voltage, fan control, and much more via customizables on screen display. Here's the specification of the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 OC editions. This is not a full review, instead of unboxings and first look of the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 OC editions. The MSRP of this card is Rm2,460 ringgit, which is much higher compared to what the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti firstly launched. The overall build and design of these cards is pretty solid. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong, a small content creator from Malaysia. I do how-to, tech unboxings and reviews on this channel, and if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.